Hey everyone, we are going to be doing our third installment of Fortnite Math. If you are wanting to join me today, we are going to be doing it together at 1 o'clock. However, if you want to do it by yourself, you can. You are just going to need to enter this code into Fortnite Creative. And it should come up with fractions. Identify the fractions of each structure. Okay, so once you are in the game and you've loaded in, you're going to hit Start Game. When you start the game, there's chests all around you, and each chest has grapplers to make it easier to travel. Now, this is what we're going to be doing today. Find the fraction for each structure. Identify the fraction for the amount of wood. Identify the fraction for the amount of metal. So each question, we're going to be answering two things. So let's look at question 1, for example. This is question 1, and it's just going to go all in a line. There are 10 questions. So the first thing we got to do is count how many pieces are wood. And that one's pretty straightforward. So there is one piece that is wood. So that's going to be our numerator, or the top number. Then we got to count how many pieces are there that make a whole, or total. 1, 2, 3. So in the question number 1, the first is 1/3 is wood. So it looks kind of like that. Number 1, 1/3 is wood. Then we got to count how much is metal. How many pieces are metal? 1, 2. So 2 out of 3 are metal. So for each question, you need to determine, is it how much is wood, what the fraction is for wood, and how much is metal. Like that. That's your answer for number 1. And then you're going to keep doing that for the rest of the questions. There are 10 questions. Please remember to send your answers to me via Class Dojo, or if you're working with me, we can talk about it together and you can answer out loud. All right, thanks. I hope to see you today. If not, I hope to see your work. Thanks.